Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you exactly how to sell your Ticketmaster tickets on StubHub. If you've got mobile tickets you can't use, this step-by-step guide will help you list and transfer them safely. Let's get started. Step 1. First head over to stubhub.com on your browser. Step 2. Click Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Enter your email and password, then hit Sign In to access your account. Step 4. Scroll down the homepage or search to find the event for which you want to sell your tickets. Step 5. Once you've selected the event, click the Sell Tickets button at the top. Step 6. When asked how you'll deliver the ticket, select Mobile Transfer. This is important because you'll send the ticket from Ticketmaster later. Step 7. StubHub will ask if you're ready to transfer. Choose Yes, I'm ready to transfer, then fill in your seat details just like they appear on Ticketmaster. Step 8. Next, click Go to Pricing to set your selling price. Step 9. Type in the price you'd like to sell your ticket for and hit Set My Price. Step 10. Finally pick what kind of seller you are, personal or professional, and then click Submit to post your listing. Bonus tip. Once your ticket sells, make sure to transfer it via your Ticketmaster app immediately to avoid any delays or issues. And that's how you sell your Ticketmaster tickets on StubHub. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy step-by-step guides. See you next time!